In the heart of South Africa, nestled amidst the remnants of apartheid segregation, lie townships, where the state's authority dwindles and the grip of gangs tightens, effectively replacing the government's role. These communities, often shaped by historical injustices and systemic neglect, grapple with a complex interplay of socio-economic challenges, rampant poverty, soaring unemployment rates, and limited access to educational and economic opportunities, create a breeding ground for gang activity. These criminal organizations exploit the vulnerabilities of the residents, offering a semblance of order and security where the government fails. They step into the void, providing protection, albeit through intimidation and violence, and sometimes even offering essential services such as food, shelter, and even rudimentary forms of healthcare. The state's inability or unwillingness to effectively address these fundamental issues has allowed gangs to flourish and consolidate their power, controlling various facets of life within these marginalized communities. Their influence permeates every aspect, from resolving disputes and meting out their own brand of justice, often brutally, to managing the local economy through extortion, drug trafficking, and other illicit activities. The dearth of effective law enforcement, coupled with the prevalence of corruption within the police force and the justice system, further exacerbates the already precarious situation. This creates a vicious cycle of violence and impunity, rendering the establishment of the rule of law a seemingly insurmountable challenge. Residents find themselves trapped within a dangerous and often unforgiving landscape, forced to navigate a reality where gang leaders dictate the terms of their survival. They live under the constant shadow of fear, where loyalty is often enforced through violence, and where hope can feel like a distant dream. The impact on these communities is nothing short of devastating, leading to soaring rates of violent crime, including murder, rape, and assault, as well as a breakdown of social structures and the erosion of trust. Families are torn apart, and generations are scarred by the trauma of daily violence and the ever-present threat of gang warfare. Efforts to reclaim these townships and restore the government's authority are met with significant resistance and face a myriad of challenges. The deeply entrenched power of gangs, coupled with the complex social and economic issues that fuel their existence, make this a formidable task. Addressing the root causes of gang violence, such as systemic poverty, vast inequalities, and lack of access to quality education and healthcare, is paramount. Simultaneously, it is crucial to strengthen law enforcement capabilities, implement effective crime prevention strategies, and foster community-based initiatives that promote social cohesion and empower residents. However, the deep-seated issues that plague these communities and the tenacious hold that gangs have over them mean that this is a long and arduous process, requiring a sustained and collaborative effort. The fight to reclaim these townships, protect the vulnerable, and ensure the safety, security, and well-being of all residents demands a comprehensive and multifaceted approach, underpinned by a commitment to justice, equality, and the rule of law. Only through such an approach can these forgotten communities begin to heal and rebuild a future free from the chains of violence and despair. This requires not only law enforcement but also socio-economic development, educational opportunities, and community empowerment.